you, baby? You're really wet. Now it's time to dry you off, and I don't think a towel's good to do it, so we might use a hair dryer. Just kidding, we might have to use the towel. Are you pooped from playing? Are you pooped? You pooped from playing in the rain. Okay, I have got Ruby in the bathroom because as you can tell, she's a very, very wet dog. So yeah, I brought a little toy to distract her, and now it's time to dry her. If this doesn't work, I'm using my hair dryer. Before you hated it going in the rain, and you hated me drying you off. Now you like it. Hi, baby. Hi. Okay, so I got you dry actually really well with the towel. Now, it's time to groom you. Yes, she really likes it when I groom. Are you trying to eat your hair? Ruby! Ruby, stop it. Give me. There you go. Yeah, you like it, huh? Oh, you know what? I should probably take your collar off. Oh, your collar's actually not wet. I'm still gonna take it off to brush you. I don't think she likes it without her collar. She's just staring at it. Like she's staring at it. Like, I want that back. Give my collar back. I will give it back, Ruby, after I brush. Now it's time to groom. Yeah, Ruby, you like little fluff nuggy. You like, look at all those gorgeous hair, Will. You like, look at all that hair. I took her collar off so she can get a little bit better. What? Hi. Oh, don't do that. You have hair. You have hair on that. Don't eat your hair. You don't want to eat your hair, baby. Don't eat your hair. Look how much shit she got on my pants. But that's having a golden retriever. Let's see. Can I get your chest? Yeah. You haven't had your chest for a long time, huh? In fact, you haven't had a real bath. You need to get you groomed, because you stinky. You little stink butt, huh? It's just you liked it, remember? No, don't eat your breath. Look how much shit is on my pants. Hi, baby. Yeah, you're a little shit butt. You shit a lot. After I spent all this time getting her dry, she went back outside. And she's wet. And this is my parents' bed. Rings of dogs. Okay. She is finally dry and clean. I am so happy. She's actually fluffier and softer, but like, you know what? The rain is actually good for her fur because like she feels really soft. And you feel like a puppy again. Anyways, that's it for this short vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed. Wasn't much. I just gave Ruby like drying. Like I gave Ruby drying. I just dried her off from the rain. Yeah, it's actually nice to have some rain. We don't get it much here. Hi. Oh, thank you for the bikini. You're so soft. Well, I hope this little ray of sunshine brought your day to a better level. So, yeah, have a good day. Bye.